Democrats, thank you for coming out today. I think from today we will make Mutlakeng rule.
Yes!
We are tired of the corruption and the empty promises of the ANC. Every year, every election, they come out and they lie to our people and make empty promises. When we go out today, we want to tell the residents of Mutlakeng that they can change. They can change for the better, and we can have a life without corruption. We can have a safer community and uninterrupted services. Because where we govern far better, and that is proven. It is time that people of Mutlakeng realize that the Democratic Alliance can bring a better life for them. Viva! Viva! Far better than the empty promises of Mutlakeng. So Democrats, when you go out there, engage the community, do the survey, ask them what are the issues, because only the Democratic Alliance can address those issues. And we want to tell the executive mayor with his MMCs of the ANC, we say, run ANC, run! Run! Run ANC, run! Run! Because the DA is here to stay. Amandla!